Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating this look. A lot of the products that I actually use today are gonna be my first time actually using them. So I'm gonna be testing them out to see if it was something I'll continue purchasing or if it holds up to what it says it does. If you would like to see how I completed this look, then continue watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna be using the Herbiare Botanical Based Skincare product. It says Get Smooth Super Serum Duo. This is actually my first time using it, and this is how it looks. So for the Cermacide Priming Face Serum, it says to apply 3 or 4 drops to cleanse and tone skin, massage in and allow to absorb 1 to 3 minutes before applying a makeup. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead. My face is already clean and toned. I have a little bit of moisturizer on. This is one. Feels good. It feels very hydrated to my skin. Oh, and I picked this up actually. I picked this up at Bell's Outlet. I believe they sell them in like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and so forth too. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wait 1 to 3 minutes before I apply my makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my brows. So while I'm waiting for my face to dry down, I'm gonna read this to you guys. It says the Cermacide Priming Face Serum is a lipid molecule that are crucial to maintaining your moisture barrier, the skin's first defense against aging signs. So our next gen silicones create a long-lasting smooth base that helps foundation and color last longer. So we'll see if this really works because we're gonna test it out today. Alright guys, so now that my face has dried down, I'm gonna go in and start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Gabriella eye and lip liner in the color dark brown. Alright, so for my concealer, I'll be using a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger. And then I'm going to go in with this Ulta eyeshadow brush. I'm actually going to use this because it's flat and it's going to make my concealer sit very well. Alright guys, so with the excess concealer, I'm going to place it under my eyes. Alright guys, so for my eyeshadow base, I'll be using a NYX eyeshadow base in the color ESBO2. And it's like a silver white eyeshadow primer. So I picked up this Royal Affair BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. It has 20 colors, and this is how it looks. So I don't really know what colors I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna play around. So I'm probably gonna go in with the color Prince or Majesty to serve as my translucent shade. So this is Prince, that's Majesty. So let's get started. It's very pigmented. This is the color Prince. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go in the color Regal. This one. Well, actually, I'm going to use Enchanted. Enchanted is like a smoky gray. Pigmented. Alright guys, so I'm not going to do a full cut crease, but I want to add some shimmer right here over the eyeshadow base. So I'm actually going to go in with the color High Tea. Alright, so now I'm going to take the color Imperial and add it in my tear ducts. Alright guys, so for my eyeliner, I'm actually going to use Music Flower 14 Hours Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Alright guys, so for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fit Me in the color 332 Golden Caramel Matte and Poreless. So I'm going to work this foundation in my face and covering the spots first. Going with the same NARS concealer under my eyes. I'm actually going in with a concealer that's darker than me, just a little bit, and this is the color Deep. It is by LA Colors Conceal It, and this will help cover my spots. I'm just going to blend everything in together. Taking the eyeshadow brush, going under my eye. Alright guys, so I'm going to set my face with Airspun. Set all over. So for my bronzer and like contour, I'm going to use this Victoria's Secret Glitter Baked Mineral Bronzing Powder. To dust away this powder, and then I'm going to spray my face down with the Tarte H2O Rainforest of the Sea spray. And it's time to put on my highlights. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color Sun Dip. Do like these two colors for my blush. So I'm going to outline my lips with a dark brown lip pencil. I'm going to take this ShilohforSHE Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. The color is Genesis, and it's so cute. This is one of my favorite Bible verses, well, Bible scriptures, I should say, and it's Philippians 4:13, and I'm gonna apply this. Alright, so this is my first time using this as well. I want to brighten my lips up just a little bit more, so I'm actually going to take the Healthy Lip Physician Formula All Natural Nude Gloss and put it in the middle. And that's perfect. Alright guys, so we're towards the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this look. And I actually did like every product that I used today for the first time. The only thing is with the Herbiare face serum, it really didn't fill in my pores. But it definitely feels good and hydrating on the skin. So maybe I'll use like a pore filler after or before I use the serum. But I definitely will continue using these products. the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. It was very pigmented, and this lip color is cute. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.